Oh my Lord. Is that a jogger in my neighborhood? Oh no, not this time. Where's my phone at? Yes, hello, Mr. Police? It's me again. Well, this time I got me a jogger in my neighborhood. That's right. What's he doing? He looked like he jogging somewhere. He got on a shirt, some shorts. You know, things you go jogging around in, but I don't know why he be wearing that right now. No, it don't make no sense. Yeah, you want me to shoot him? I can shoot him. It's loaded. I always keep it loaded, Catherine. You hear me? You know, I can shoot a buck from about 50 yards out. This really wouldn't be a problem. Are you sure? Well, that's your loss. Well, I don't want another young, black, unarmed man shot in the streets either. It's ridiculous. Okay? Should I just use my sword? No? Yes, I'm absolutely outraged. Hold on, Kathy. I'm going to call you back. The Mexican fellas I hired at Home Depot to do my yard, yeah, one of them's taking a shit in my rose bushes. Yes, I was wondering why they was growing so good. I thought they was just doing a great job. I'm going to call you back.